Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tolu. If you're here for the first time, you're welcome. And if you're my returning subscriber, thank you for coming back again. Previously, I showed you what Emerald Housing Estate, formerly called Mobile Estate, looks like. It's a beautiful, serene environment. And right now, I'm going to be showing you a 5-bedroom semi-detached property here for sale. So if this is what you like to see, sit, relax, and enjoy this video. And if by chance you're interested in this, please reach out to me quickly. Thank you and see you.
Wow, this house has a super large driveway. The land area of this property is 600 square meters. You can conveniently park about 8 or more cars here. This is the main entrance into the house, but we're going in through the kitchen at the back. You have space to plant your beautiful flowers and trees. Tiles are used at the bottom of every house here. This will prevent rain and mud from messing up the bottom. This was well planned. In front of me, this is the BQ, and it's a 2-bedroom bungalow. I will show you this after we're done with the house. It's a semi-detached property. You can see the fence right here. This is the kitchen, and it's neatly done. The extractor. I like the warm color of the cabinet. Look at this space here. I'll tell you something in a bit about this 5-bedroom house. I just love a house with many windows, and they have burglary proof on them. Look at the space here. Wow. I don't know, there's something about this living room that I just love. If I would name this white, I'll call it brilliant white. It is excellent. You need to see it live to appreciate it. This is the restroom. The main entrance to the house. We would have come in from here. Next to the kitchen where we entered from is a dining area. This house, as you can see, has a lot of space. They actually cut out some space from the dining to make an extra room. This is the guest room. I think it was a smart move, if you ask me. It has a restroom as well. This is the master's bedroom. Toilet and bathroom. Closet. This is the family room. Another room. Toilet and bathroom. The family room, a balcony. This is the view you get from here. The BQ at the back. The third room was seen upstairs. You have net on the window. This is the fourth room upstairs. So it's 5 bedrooms in all. Family room, balcony on the left, room on the left. Up front is the master's. Space here by the stairs. Our main entrance. The living room again. POP. So this is a new property and the price is reasonable for what you're getting. 5-bedroom semi-detached house and a 2-bedroom flat. Dining, guest room, kitchen. Let's take a look at the BQ. This house is in a secure estate that has a pool, gym, tennis court, football field, children's playground, park for relaxation, and even a hall for meetings and parties. Security here is top-notch. Power supply is also central. So what are you waiting for? Hurry up and give me a call. The boys' quarters. It's spacious. This is the kitchen. The restroom. This can be what you want it to be. It's spacious. Another private room and its restroom. Not bad at all and quite spacious. The main house has 5 rooms. This place has 2 rooms, a kitchen and 2 toilets. The land area for the entire property is 600 square meters and the estate has a global COO in the name of ExxonMobil. With a little less than 100 million naira, this property could be yours. This is a good one. If you're interested, reach out to me quickly, do your due diligence and get your property. My number is on the screen. Don't delay, it may be gone by the time you're ready. If you want to see what this place is like as an estate, please check it out. It's going to be linked in the description and at the end of this video. Thank you so much for staying with me. Thank you for watching. Please share this video. Help me spread it to many people that might be interested in getting this property. Leave me your comments. You know I love to see what you think about my videos. Thank you for watching. Bye and see you in my next one. Click here to watch the next video.